For over 2 decades, we have seen three faces behind the mask. Three Peter Parkers, three different journeys. But one question remains: who is the real Spider Man? Is it Tobey Maguire, the original hero who defined a generation? Andrew Garfield, the emotional, broken soul searching for redemption? Or Tom Holland, the modern MCU prodigy still finding his identity? Today, we are diving deep into their stories, their pain, their power, and what truly makes each one Spider Man. It all began in 2002. Before cinematic universes and multiverses, there was Sam Raimi's Spider Man. Tobey Maguire was not just an actor in a superhero costume, he was Peter Parker, a quiet, awkward kid juggling college, rent, and heartbreak, while saving a city that did not always love him. Toby's Peter was not flashy. He was not a tech genius or a quippy teen. He was human. He represented sacrifice, responsibility, loss. Every punch he threw came from pain. Every tear felt real. When Uncle Ben died, we believed it changed him. And worse, that made his Spider Man timeless. He was not the strongest or smartest, he was the most grounded. Andrew Garfield's Spider Man arrived in a darker, more emotional world, where Toby showed us the struggle of responsibility. Andrew showed us the pain of being misunderstood. His Peter Parker was faster, sharper, and more confident, but inside, he was breaking. His chemistry with Emma Stone's Gwen Stacy was not just acting, it was real. Their love story grounded the character in a way no other Spider Man had before. And when she fell, we fell with her. That moment, the sound, the silence became one of the most tragic in superhero cinema. Andrew's Spider Man did not just lose the girl, he lost hope. But what made him powerful was that he kept going. Even after losing everything, he still put the mask back on. That's Spider Man. Pure, broken, but unyielding. When Tom Holland joined the MCU, fans were skeptical. Another reboot, another high school story. But what Marvel gave us was a coming of age journey. Holland's Spider Man was not shaped by Uncle Ben, he was mentored by Tony Stark. He learned responsibility not through loss at first, but through love, and later through heartbreak. His trilogy took him from a naive kid to a man who faced the multiverse and still chose to do the right thing, even if it meant losing everything. When Doctor Strange wiped the world's memory of Peter Parker, that was his Uncle Ben moment. Alone in a tiny apartment, sewing his own suit again, Tom Holland finally became Spider Man. No tech, no mentors, no fame, just Peter Parker, the kid who never stops trying. So, who is the real Spider Man? Toby, the original hero who defined sacrifice. Andrew, the broken soul who taught us pain can't break purpose. Or Tom, the modern day symbol of resilience. The truth is, they all care because Spider Man was never about who wears the mask. It's about why he wears it. It's about the person who keeps fighting when the world forgets them. The one who takes the fall again and again just to protect others. Spider Man is not a single person, he's an idea, responsibility, loss, hope, redemption. And in the end, that's what unites Toby, Andrew, and Tom. They are three sides of the same soul, the hero in all of us. So tell me in the comments, which Spider Man do you believe is the real one? And if you love Spider Man stories, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me next week as we dive into the amazing Spider Man 3 What Could Have Been. Because with great power comes great storytelling.